Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to ConCube, and today we are going to unbox a QiYi QiDi 2 in 2 by 2 black cube. Okay, so this is a stickered cube and I just received it yesterday only. I ordered it from cubelelo.com. Okay, because this is the only retail shop in India. It mostly this is the only, I guess, monopoly in India. Okay, earlier there was one SUMU store also, but now it is closed. I don't know for what reason, but I feel that SCMU was greater than Cube Lelo because the pricing was also cheap at there, and also they give nice cube. I had a great experience with them. Okay, so let's see onto the box. So the MRP written here is 899 rupees, but this is only the maximum retail price, but I got it for around 250 rupees. Okay, so here something is written is Chinese. So again there is a photo of Matswalk, which is very usual in all the cube. Every cube has his photo because he is a great speed cuber. Okay, and at the back also there is something written in the Chinese, and there also, so there is nothing useful for us in the box. So let's get into the box and see what is inside it. Okay, so we just opened the box. So this is our manual, okay, which we got from every cube. From here you can see how to solve the 2 by 2. It is basically a guide to solve. It comes with any cube you purchase. Okay, and here I can see the beautiful 2 by 2 cube, and here it is. So I like the sticker. It is vibrant stickers, and I don't have any complaint with the stickers. Okay, and if I use it, okay, so this is smooth also, not perfectly lubed, but for the beginners I think it's great. Okay, so I don't know how to solve 2 by 2, but I can try in this video only how to solve 2 by 2 by using kinda my intuitive or normal 3 by 3 knowledge. Let's see whether they apply or not. So talking about the cube, I feel like it is a nice cube. Also the corner cutting is great, and this will work great if you lube also, but without lube also it is working great. I can feel it in my hand. It is working great. And also this is a great budget cube. I got it for like 250 rupees, so I'm satisfied with the cube. There is no problem with the cube and it is working fine. And also if you compare it with 3 by 3, the size is also nice. It's basically this is the QiYi thunderclap. Okay, and you can see the size difference. Okay, and this is the 4 by 4. Let me show the 4 by 4 also. So this is the size difference. Okay, so it is the basic cube, and corner cutting and smoothness is like good. I don't have any problem with it. So let's try. As I was telling you that I will be trying this solving the cube for the first time only. I don't know, I just took it out from the box, and this is my first 2 by 2. Okay, so I'll be solving it by 3 by 3 method only. So let's see what I can do. I will try to first solve this 2 by just placing the corner and matching the center. Okay, so here I can see which is the part. Okay, so these 2 are already done. So what I can do, I can just put it upstairs and match it with the center. Where is the center? Okay, so I cannot find any center. Let's see, wait. So what I will be doing now, I will be seeing this should come here, right? So I can just easily put it here from the formula, and this orange piece should come here, and this green should come here. Okay, so this is also perfect. I can easily put it down here. So now I got, like, I will be doing the 3 by 3 algorithm. You can see this is our fourth or fifth case of OLL. So you know this is the formula for it, but I think I just messed it up. Okay, so we will do it again. So this is the one I will be doing from the beginners method now. Okay, oh, let's see, it got solved. And now I will be solving a PLL pair from putting the solved pair behind it and doing this algorithm to make all the corners match, and it's solved. Okay, so this was a easy one. I just solved it intuitively also. Okay, and I will be making one video also regarding to this one, 2 by 2. I will be making such simplest video so that you don't find any difficulty in solving a 2 by 2. Okay, so thank you guys. This was all for the review. I hope you liked my review. So give this video a thumbs up if you like my review, and this is a thumbs up for this video. Sorry, thumbs up for this cube. You can go and purchase this cube if your budget is low. Okay, as mine was low, so I was just experimenting with the 2 by 2, so I ordered the basic speed cube whichever I got, and I am satisfied with it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and you can find the buying link in the description if you want to buy. Otherwise you can just go to any site, whichever. I'm not promoting Cube Lelo, but I got it from here, so I'm telling you this, and this is the only, I guess, cube shop in India. Okay, none other is operating now. Okay, so this is the only one. So thank you guys for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Okay guys, bye.